Good morning from cold Oklahoma this morning, and welcome to RNS Life After 55. Happy Thanksgiving. Russ, can you talk this morning?
A little rough.
It's a little rough, but can you tell everyone Happy Thanksgiving?
Happy Thanksgiving.
So, guys, guess what? Okay, you know we're staying in the trailer pretty much full time now. So, my daughter-in-law asked me, Lexi won't leave me alone, so here she is. Good morning. Say good morning, Lexi. So guess what? I was supposed to make the turkey for today. I am supposed to make the dressing, and I am making the gravy. So, in a little bitty space, I had to kind of think that through, but you know what? I got my dressing in the refrigerator yesterday, and it's ready to go in the oven today, which I will put it in her oven when we get there, just so it'll be hot when we eat, because we're eating at their house. And I went and started my turkey this morning, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing the turkey. And the gravy is not a big deal. You know, I'll just take some of the turkey drippings and some chicken broth, the stuff in a box. I'll take those two together and put a few things in there, and we'll call that gravy. But I was excited that I was able to do some Thanksgiving cooking in here. And I told Rusty, I said, I probably should share that with other people just so they can see that, you know, it can be done, because it may be, I really had to think through on the turkey thing, because let's face it, we don't have my toaster oven is not going to hold this 14.5-pound turkey. So we had to think it through, but I'll show you what I came up with. Meanwhile, you guys have a great Thanksgiving. I hope you have lots to be thankful for. We do. That's another thing we need to tell you guys real quick. Rusty's PET scan came back, and right now he is clear. He has no cancer that they could see in there right now. Of course, they're going to have to keep a very close eye on him. He'll get checked again in 3 months, and it's going to be every 3 months for like 5 years. But today, we are so thankful, and we have so much to be thankful for, and I'm going to try not to cry, but yeah, so we're just, now we know he's just healing from all the treatments, and that will still take 1 to 3 years, they say, but other than that, we have a lot to be thankful for today. We have healthy kids, healthy grandchild, healthy puppies, and so you guys, I hope you all can find at least one thing to be thankful for as well today. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day and enjoy your holiday. Okay, so I told you guys I would show you what I did. There's my induction stove, and there's the toaster oven. And oh look, Rusty's not a cooker at all, not at all. But look what he did in the toaster oven. He made apple pies homemade, like from scratch. Well, okay, not the crust. He bought the crust, but he cut the lattice and did all that himself. He's got those are both apple pies, because nobody ever makes an apple pie. So he decided this year he'd make his own apple pie. But so he baked those in that toaster oven. And you see how good they turned out. I did my dressing, baked the cornbread in there. And that worked out great. I'm going to use that to make my gravy today. And now, was that all we need to show them in here? And then we just need to take them out and show them how we're doing our turkey. I bet you guys are really wondering how we are doing our turkey. Just one moment. Okay, so the turkey. No, we're not putting it on the fire or the grill. I don't know how to do that. But we are at the white trailer. Look, I forgot I had this roasting pan from a long time ago. So there's our turkey right there. And I put it inside the white trailer because, I mean, the roaster pan's huge. And since we had it, I just put a table right inside the door. And all Rusty's tools are still down there. And yeah, so there's our turkey. And I'm hoping it'll be done by, I was checking my temperature while I had it on. I'm hoping it'll be done by noon or 1 o'clock, because that's when the kids want to eat, but I'm pretty sure it will be. And these roaster pans, I have cooked lots of turkeys in these in the past. Your turkey will literally fall off the bone with those. So, which we need for Rusty this year, because he can't swallow dry meat at all. So I'm trying to make this one juicy anyways. Okay, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving and a very blessed day.
See ya.
Okay, real quick, Rusty's cooking breakfast on the induction stove, so I thought I'd let anybody who's wondering about that. Rusty, we've learned that 260 is plenty high enough to cook most things on. I did the first thing yesterday on 450 and it'll burn real fast. And it takes like literally 2 seconds to heat the pan up with this induction stove. So if you're getting one, they seem to be pretty neat. I don't know how well Rusty likes it yet, but he's making his breakfast, his eggs this morning. He likes.
I like it. I hate the skillet.
Oh, okay. He doesn't like the pan, but he likes.
It's ready to go to the trash.
One of the boys are getting us a set of pans for Christmas, so there you go. Anyway, I just thought I'd show that real quick. Okay, again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a awesome day today. We're gonna do our best and enjoy our kids today. Russ, anything?
Nothing.
Okay. Later, guys.